Hello students, today I will explain the topic redox reaction. The reaction which involve oxidation and reduction at a time are known as redox reaction, means the reaction which carried reduction plus oxidation reaction are known as redox reaction. Now we will study about the oxidation and reduction reactions. Oxidation reactions are those reactions in which addition of oxygen is take place, like when C react with oxygen it forms CO2. In this, carbon is oxidized as it gain the oxygen. Okay, but in the case of removal of oxygen, suppose CO2 is decomposed, it convert into C plus O2. In this reaction, from CO2 the conversion in C is take place. That means removal of oxygen is take place here. First reaction show the oxidation reaction, while the second reaction show the reduction reaction. Clear? This is the basic difference on the basis of addition and removal of oxygen. Next is removal of hydrogen. For example, CH4 when heated it convert into C plus 2H2. It is the removal of hydrogen. CH4 is converted into C, that is show the oxidation, while when carbon react with hydrogen it convert CH4, means carbon convert into CH4. The reduction of carbon is take place in this reaction. First reaction show the oxidation state, while the second reaction show the reduction state. Now the third point is increment of oxidation number. For example, Fe plus 2 is converted into Fe plus 3. There is the oxidation of Fe in this reaction, while suppose Sn plus 4 is going under the change of reduction with the reducing of oxidation number. Sn plus 4 is going to convert Sn plus 2. Now in this reaction the reduction reaction is take place, while in the change of Fe plus 2 into Fe plus 3 there is a oxidation, as the oxidation number is increases here. Okay. Next is loss of electron by an element, gain of electron is this. Suppose I am writing here Cl is going to convert into Cl negative. There is an exchange of electron, means Cl atom has the zero oxidation number, while it convert into Cl negative it show the -1 ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर. 0 से -1 में कन्वर्जन हो रहा है, इट इज़ द डिक्रीमेंट, सो दैट इज नॉन एज रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. ओके, नाउ as you seen here, suppose Fe plus 2 when react with Sn plus 4 it convert into Fe plus 3 and Sn plus 2. Now there are two substances in the reactant series. Fe convert into Fe plus 3. There is an increment of oxidation number, means Fe is oxidized here, while Sn plus 4 convert into Sn plus 2. It has the reduction reaction. Sn plus 4 convert into Sn2. It will be the reduction reaction. In this reaction, the substance which is oxidized is a reducing agent, means Fe is a reducing agent, while Sn plus 4 convert into Sn plus 2. There is a reduction reaction, and the substance which is reduced, it is called oxidizing agent. Clear? Yes. Now the topic has been completed. In next video I will explain the topic oxidation number and the calculation of oxidation number. Okay student, have a nice day.